Hello again and welcome. I'm Lawrence. Today we're going to learn and understand how to use the snap movement. Let me show you what I mean. I have this isometric image, and then before I activate my snap movement, imagine without that and try to set the coordinate for the object. See how difficult it is. You have to slowly and place it to the proper position. However, if you use the snap movement, you will still have another problem. For example, it's supposed to snap and match, but after I activate the snap movement, my image did snap, but did not snap the way I wanted. So to solve this problem, you need to create a proper size of image before you can snap it perfectly. So to do that, we need to create our own isometric image in Photoshop. So which means we are also going to learn Photoshop. Let me quickly turn my switch on my Photoshop. Okay, just open a blank page and then select this marquee rectangle tool, and then under new layer, create a new layer. You make one size 400 times 400. Alright, once you have it, under new layer, you just place any color, black. Alright, rotate this 45 degrees. Remember, the size of this rectangle is 400 times 400 pixel. Once you rotate it 45 degrees, Ctrl T for transform, and then resize on vertical side to 150 pixel. 150. Alright, but I want to change this color. Okay, to create an isometric image, you will need to have three colors: the top, the left side, and the right side. Okay, let me pick the first color. I'm going to use green color now. For the top side, the top surface, I'm going to use a light green. Should be, this one should be okay. Light green. Alright, then create another new layer. Select the new blank new layer, press Ctrl on your keyboard and Ctrl select, so you will have the selection mode under your new blank layer. Here you will need to choose a slightly darker green color compared to the top one, compared to the top one. To do that, you will need to go to select, not select, edit, stroke, color, leave it 2 pixel, leave it in center. Now we have the top green. We need to have a slightly darker compared to the top green. This one should be on the left, and then okay, hide the top surface, Ctrl D to deselect. Now you have slightly darker green color, but remember we only want this color to be on the left side, so we delete this. This is the left side, this is the right side, so this one is have to be deleted because we don't need them. We only need the left side, so delete the right side. There you go. Rename this left and rename this top. Okay, create another new layer, rename this to right, and then select the layer, the blank layer, and then control click the top, so we'll have the selection mode again. This time we will need to select a darker green for the right side. To center, okay, height of control D to deselect, so this one should be on the right. We delete the left one, this, so you will have right, left and top, 3 different color. Once you have that, so if you zoom in, you can see the top surface is light green, the left side is slightly darker green, and the right side is darker green. So you will have 3 different type of green. All you need to do is merge all these 3 colors and then zoom out a bit. Let's copy this 100 times. 100 times. That means you will have 100 layers here. Okay, to do that, you will need to press alternate on your keyboard and press the up arrow key. Okay, let's do that. Make sure all we need is only 100 layers, 100 copies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 100 only. 100 only. 4 5 6 7 8 9 100. There you go. You now have one beautiful isometric image for your isometric game. Okay, let's merge all the layers. From here you select the top layers and then move down, press the shift button on your keyboard and select the bottom layers of your image, and then Control E, the shortcut for merge. Now you will have one piece of isometric image. Now we're going to use this in Buildbox. Hide this, Control select to highlight only the image, and then image crop. Now I'm going to export this to my document, to my desktop as ping. Let's name this platform 1. Okay, now we're done with the Photoshop. Let's go to Buildbox. Alright, let's delete this and bring in the new one from desktop. Before that, let me use this sample character. I'm going to bring in this as an object because we are not going to play the game, just to see a quick preview on how is the isometric image looks like. Alright, let me delete this one first, and then let's bring in the platform 1 here. Alright, when I turn on my snap movement, and then copy, then snap. Same problem will occur. You see, the image still won't snap the way I want it, the way we want it. Actually, to get the image snap properly, we need to resize this image until we get the snap to snap perfectly. So in my case, I already checked many times, so I will change the size on x-axis to 0.5 and on the y-axis 0.4. Now if I snap, it will snap perfectly. Imagine if you can do your scene very quick, compare the previous one without the snap. You need to put your image very slow, but we don't have to do that anymore because our image already snapped. Right, let's bring in the robot. It will match the isometric platform that we create using Photoshop. Right, that's all for my basic Photoshop and Buildbox tutorial. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe because I always provide the Buildbox file on my subscribe page. Okay, bye.